Hey friends, this is Amit Mulani. Right now I am in Hong Kong, specifically with the exhibition called the Hong Kong International Jewellery Show. And with me, Miss Humaira Erdogan from Turkey.
From Turkey, yes. Yeah, the name of our company is Cashmere, and we kind of choose this name for us because our production is kind of like the Cashmere production as well. Requires patience.
So, what is the meaning of that, Kashmir?
The fabric cashmere, you know, we kind of like inspired from it because also in our products we are really working hard to find the right stones, to the the right design, and reach to the perfect outcome. So it requires a lot of patience, effort, and of course love.
So ma'am, the first question is, your company been established in which year and in which category you are dealing mainly?
At the moment we are dealing with gold and diamond, and our company is established in 2020.
2020?
Yes, we're fairly a new company, We have been in the market for a long time, but we have been doing only gold business. But last 4 years as Cashmere Jewellery, we are dealing with diamond and gold.
So your parent company is already doing a gold business since long?
Yes.
But in specific jewellery sector, you have been
4 years.
entered since last 4 years?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I'm seeing that your jewellery craftsmanship is too beautiful.
Thank you.
Can you give me the idea about the same, that what exactly this jewellery is?
Okay, so actually Turkey has a very big history of the diamond mounting.
Absolutely.
And there is a really specific craftsmanship in Turkey. And also as a company, we are really into the details and good finish. So that's why we are really spending a lot of time for the details of our products. And now you see the results.
So from where you are procuring your diamonds?
Mostly from India.
Mostly from India?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. You are procuring the diamond from India and then you are manufacturing the jewellery inside the Turkey?
Yes.
So ma'am, can you tell me about your export markets right now?
At the moment we are exporting to Gulf countries, GCC countries, Middle East, US, Europe, South America. This is our main market.
So wherever the jewellery has been purchased, you are exporting your jewellery over there?
Yes.
If someone want to connect you with your jewellery, then can you tell them that what exactly their demand might be, so they can connect you for what kind of the products?
They can connect me for the finished products like fine jewellery, diamonds. So for this kind of products, they can always contact me.
Someone want a fine jewellery with the diamond, with the very detailed designing and particular artisans,
they can contact us.
You.
Yes, with pleasure we would help them.
One more question I want to ask. That,
yes, please.
You already told me that this is the first time you are participating over here in this exhibition.
Yeah.
So, but obviously these are the 2 days only. But how's your experience about the exhibition?
To be honest, I'm really excited being here because Asian market is something that we would like to expand.
Absolutely.
And we would like to have a deeper information, and we are really kind of happy and excited to be here and meeting with the potential Asian buyers.
Absolutely, because Far East is a very huge market to be catered.
Yes.
And when I'm talking about the Turkish jewellery, it's one of the finest jewellery in the world.
Thank you. Yeah.
So, but obviously in that case, Far East market is growing. People are becoming richer, and then definitely the buying pattern has been changed since
hopefully
Absolutely.
it will be one of our main markets as well.
Definitely in the future it will be the main market.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank
you so much, ma'am, for your detailed interview.
Thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure talk with you.
Same for us.
I am wishing a lots of luck in the future that you enter in this market.
Thank you
once again.
Thank you.
Amit Mulani and team, India's best export-import business trainers.